This tutorial is about modifying the user account settings. Click on Start button and click on User logo to change the settings of your user account. This is a user account settings that shows option to change user settings. Here we can see the logo, name and type of user account. Create a password. Click on Create a password of your account. It will ask you to type new password, confirm new password and then password hint. Then click on Create Password. Now the user account is password protected. Click here to change the logo of user. Click on your selected picture and then click on Change Picture. Click here to change your account name. Click here to change your account type. This will manage your another account. This will change your user account control settings.